first one. This is my happy birthday fish. Because today is my birthday. Yes, not bad. Not bad. There it is. Okay, let's can I get top of the bluegill or not? Little one. It's a little one. Right through the top of the mouth. Yep. Right through the top of the mouth. A little one. But I will take it. All right, buddy. Get over. Good luck.
Thank you. You too.
Got disco lights on that little man. Look at that on that side. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Right there. All right. Huh? 19 Delta, baby. 19 Delta. Oh, you done ate my bait. No, 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 no. What is it? Little bass. Little bass. All right. That ain't going free. The dink drop. That's a goat. That's weird. Look at that. Yeah. What are you doing? Got a damn necklace on it. What's up, dude? Huh? What are you doing up there?